Now it's possible to combine more than one control net. So in this particular workflow, we've got two control nets. One is going to be the open pose, which I've already edited, and you can see, roughly speaking, what I've got there. It's a very small figure, sort of leaning a little bit towards one direction, and you can get them leaning by using this particular control. And what we'll do is that we'll just go ahead and try to close that. And the next thing, we've got a larger image here being fed into a K-sampler here with a larger latent image. So the first image is a small image, 512 by 512, from the open pose, and that's giving us a whole control net. That's the open pose control net, which is loading up an open pose of FP16, so it's one of the smaller ones. And of course, we've got Dream Shaper, the Dream Shaper number 8. Now I've changed the prompt a little bit. So the original prompt was just, I think, beautiful girls, and that gave us this image with the beautiful girl in between the smiling man and the other guy, and a few stars in between right at the top there. So you've got the combination of control nets all adding up to this 768 by 768 image. I think what we can do is just increase the number of the steps so we get a slightly cleaner finishing image. And let's run it with a slightly different prompt. Beautiful girl alongside man, like statue of metal under a sunset starry sky. I don't know if that's... I don't think that's going to produce a nice image. No, it's kind of, you can kind of see it, can't you? You can definitely see the stars. It's sort of combined the control net for the stars and the scribble net. Let's try again. It's combined the scribble and the universe, the Milky Way. It's kind of interesting. Let's change it from sunset to afternoon. And we'll add a dash right there. But you can see the idea is taking this small open pose, and then it's sort of like plumping it right in the middle there. And it's interesting. It's interesting. It's turning it into a statue, and also the stars are becoming a statue. But you can see now that's how you would combine different control nets. And yeah, it's possible to get some interesting results that way. Let's try another one, just see what that looks like. Oh, it's given one of the statues a head, the moon for the head. So that's basically how you do it. It's an interesting idea, and I'll save this and give it to you with this lecture. I think this one is probably worth attempting with different control nets to sort of see what sort of results you get, because I think some of them might be able to achieve results that we can't achieve in any other way. And hopefully at some stage we'll master this open pose editor. For the time being, just try the best that you can. I use the Control Plus and Control Minus to zoom in and out, and it just seems to work for me. But it's not ideal, and there's probably a better way. Well, there has to be a better way.